Hello everyone, today I will be showing you a simple recipe for tea. You'll need 3 cups of water, you'll need a tea pan, and a strainer because you'll have loose tea leaves. You'll also need 4 cups because that's the amount that this tea recipe will serve. You'll also need 1.5 tablespoons of loose tea leaves, and 1/4 cup each of evaporated milk and sugar. So start by pouring 3 cups of water into a tea pan. Place the tea pan on an electric burner and put the electric burner on a high setting. Then let the water boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then pour in 1.5 tablespoons of tea leaves and 1/4 cup of sugar. Then stir the mixture together with a spoon. If your spoon is metallic, then use an insulating handle so that you will not get burned by the tea. After you let the tea boil for another 5 minutes, add 1/4 cup of milk. Then once again, stir the tea. Let it boil for another 2 to 3 minutes, and make sure that the tea does not overflow. Then using a strainer, pour the tea into a kettle. Then using the kettle, pour the tea into a cup of your choice. So this is a picture of the final product. Now you know how to make Indian chai, or tea. Please let me know in the comments how your tea turned out. I hope to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.